The Indian Powerplus was a motorcycle that was built by the Hendy Manufacturing Company between 1916 and 1923 under the direction of Indian's chief engineer and designer, Charles Gustafsson. Gustafsson designed the Powerplus as a replacement for Indian's previous 1000cc engine motorcycles. As Indian's first flathead engine, the Powerplus ran quieter, endured less manufacturing costs, and required less maintenance. The Powerplus earned its moniker due to its 16 horsepower output, a landmark of performance achievement for its time period. Indian's Powerplus was endowed with a 1000cc engine that was notable for its removable cylinder heads and upward-facing valves that were placed to the side of the piston. This side valve design featured a fully enclosed valve system that kept dirt and debris from burrowing into the engine. Gustafsson's innovative setup also provided the bike with incredible endurance that carried it to victory in multiple competitions, while achieving a multitude of high-speed racing records. One of these records was set by Erwin Cannonball Baker, who rode an early Indian Powerplus from Vancouver to Tijuana in 3 days, 9 hours and 15 minutes, establishing a new 3 flags record. Much attention was also given to the Powerplus for its uniquely innovative controls, featuring wrist grips on both handles. The bike's throttle was controlled by the left twist grip, while the right twist grip advanced or withheld the spark. 3 controls were positioned on the gas tank's right side, including a vertically operated shifter, exhaust valve lifter, and a hand clutch lever. The clutch's lever was linked to the clutch pedal, which was positioned on the bike's left side. In 1917, several modifications were made to the Powerplus's engine. Its cylinders and pistons were expanded an extra 1/4 of an inch, and the wrist pin was repositioned below the center of the piston. This redesign reduced the occurrence of piston slap to the cylinder head. Additionally, in 1920, a larger 1180cc engine was offered to those seeking an extra gain in power. The Indian Powerplus enjoyed several years of recognition and acclaim, but like all early motorcycles, new technology eventually led to its discontinuation. Indian ceased its production of the Powerplus in 1923. Finding a surviving, original Indian Powerplus is a true rarity. The 1920 Indian Powerplus displayed here is fully documented and was originally registered in Randers, Denmark on May 8, 1921. It has received a full restoration in between its changing of hands among European and Norwegian collectors before finding its final home at Throttlestop's Motorcycle Museum, where it's now on full display for motorcycle enthusiasts and historians. Located in Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin, Throttlestop's Motorcycle Museum showcases some of the most historical and amazing relics from over 100 years of the industry. Stationed just a few miles away from Road America Racetrack, Throttlestop is a destination for car and motorcycle enthusiasts of all tastes. We welcome you to come see how we live, driven by passion.